clouds area. Rest of today, partly sunny early this afternoon, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers this afternoon.
You know the drill, guys. Yeah, I decided to do the weekly test.
North winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers until midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the lower 50s. Northwest winds
So you
5
just
to 10
got
miles an hour.
this conceal.
Sunny. Highs around 80.
Yes, I have a phone up here.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly clear.
Let's use this thing.
Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Sunday night and Monday, mostly clear.
Hold on a second.
Lows in the lower 60s. Highs in the upper 80s. Monday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 50%. At 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 64 degrees, the dew point 51, and the relative humidity 62%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour.
Let's see what this weekly test brings.
16 inches and falling. Across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa and Plattsmouth, it was sunny with a temperature of 62. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 63 in Tequila and 66.
You know what? We're gonna have some other weather waves on.
It was partly sunny with a temperature of 62 in Lincoln, 66 in Alfred.
I recommend turning down your volume right now.
At Columbus. It was cloudy with a temperature of 61 at Millard, 63 at Fremont.
That was just me like testing on accident. That was an accident. Okay. That was a count, guys. I was at the EAS yet.
Concordia, Kansas. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 60. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 69 at Sioux Falls.
Also, if you have a little music, if you turn it on that.
With a temperature of 53 at Grand Island, 53 at Milford, 62 at Sioux City, 63 at Des Moines, and 56 at Northland. At Valentine, rain and fog reported with a temperature of 51. Once again, at 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was 64 degrees under partly sunny skies. The Omaha Metropolitan Area Pollutant Standards Index for today is 42, which represents good air quality with ozone the main pollutant. The forecast for Thursday is 47, considered good air quality
Sorry.
with ozone the primary pollutant. The pollen count today for trees was 6, a low count, with mulberry and walnut at -1. The pollen count for wheat was 12. The pollen count for grass was 1.
Just looking for one way.
Air pollution forecast and pollen counts for Douglas County Health Department. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and southeast Nebraska. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. Now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Dense fog advisory
You also
information
did fog
for the
advice.
following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Butler, Cass, Cedar, Colfax, Douglas, Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Knox, Lancaster, Madison, Odo, Pawnee, Pierce, Platte, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, Seward, Stanton, and Wayne. Dense
Yeah, it's gonna go off soon.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Omaha and Council Bluffs area.
Sorry about that. Check my battery percentage.
Early this afternoon, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers this afternoon. Highs around 70.
You can hear that weather radio, this weather radio, the DSP, the W120, the weather radio right here,
Chance of showers until midnight.
this weather radio.
Cloudy after midnight.
I was gonna do that one, but no, it's back here. Okay. Sorry. Try not to break my bow. Okay, now it's back in service.
Highs around 80. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night.
If you wonder where the broadcast is coming, it's coming from one of the real. It's coming from our realistic up there, the same one like this.
Mostly clear. Highs in the
Now I can hear some of the radios.
upper 50s. Sunday. Sunny.
And wait till you see the W300. Something pretty cool just happened to it. Well, I did. I fixed it.
Lows in the
Too, but I really, the August today was 210 watching. People got warning.
Monday night. Partly cloudy until
Anyway, on both of them, you'll see what I did now. It's much better.
hours after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%.
The clocks are behind, so I'm not going to tell you how many minutes it's going to come.
Chance of showers. Highs in the mid-80s.
12:13.
50%. At 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 64 degrees, the dew point 51, and the relative humidity 62%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.16 inches and falling. Across eastern
This is
Nebraska
Mika Test
and
Wednesday.
southwest
I think you're putting the
Iowa,
hashtag Mika Test
it was
Wednesday on
sunny
there.
with a temperature of 62. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 63 at Tekema and 66 in Red Oak, Iowa. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 62 at Lincoln, 66 at Offutt Air Force
8
Base,
minutes
and
in
59
to the
at
video.
Columbus. It was cloudy with a temperature of 61 at Millard, 63 at Fremont, 60 at Blair Airport, and 63 at Nebraska City. Here are some observations from across the region. At Concordia, Kansas, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 61. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 59 at Sioux Falls, 62 at Kansas City, and 61 at Denver. It was cloudy.
Got 1 minute, I believe.
53 at Norfolk, 62 at Sioux City, 63 at Des Moines, and 56 at Northland. At Valentine, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 51. Once again, at 11 a.m. in Omaha, it was 64 degrees under partly sunny skies. The Omaha Metropolitan Area Pollutant Standard Index for today is 42, which represents good air quality, with ozone the main pollutant. The forecast for Thursday is 47, considered good air quality, with ozone the primary pollutant. The pollen count today for trees was 6. Low count, with mulberry and walnut the primary pollen. The pollen count for weeds was 0. The pollen count for grass was 1, a low number. Air pollution forecast and pollen counts are provided by the Douglas County Health Department. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and southeast Nebraska. For today, exceptional hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. This is Noah All Hazards radio station KIH 61 in Omaha, Nebraska. The current time is 11:16 a.m.
1 minute late.
Daylight time.
Just kidding.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Omaha and Council.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, turn down your volume now, guys.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of NOAA All Hazards Radio public warning alarm system for transmitters across eastern
Received the
Nebraska
following.
and southwest Iowa,
Good,
as well
good.
as neighboring portions
Great.
of Kansas and Missouri.
Good.
During
Good.
potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built
You
receivers
were
are
on
automatically
weather.
activated by the
Good.
signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Good.
The alarm
Really
tone
good.
causes weather radio receivers to be turned
And
on
guess what?
automatically, alerting you to the impending emergency broadcast. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each
Required
Wednesday
liquid
at
test. It's
11:50
back.
a.m.
Exactly what I'm
If there
putting
is
it
a threat of
Spider-Man.
severe weather,
Yay.
the test is then
And then
postponed
good.
until the next
This
available
is a cool
non-severe weather
thumbnail.
day.
This will be a cool thumbnail.
Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System.
Oh, we have
We
failure.
now return to our regular programming.
Fail. This one we have failed. Let's see why it failed.
Now for the official National Weather
Oh.
Service forecast for the Omaha and Council Bluffs area. Rest of today, partly sunny early this afternoon, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers this afternoon. Highs around 70. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight,
Let's see why this one we have down here failed. Oh. This one failed. So you know where it gets. Temporary out service. I don't know what is causing it.
a chance of showers.
Let's see. I might need to look at it.
Chance.
It seriously did fail. Like, that was a fail. This one. That we found a failure. But it was successful still. Anyways. 3, 2, 1, that's it.